This is DashboardSymbols.com. Here, we will replace the dead battery in a new style fob from General Motors with a fresh one. The fob was introduced in 2021 in various Buick, Chevrolet, and GMC models, and Cadillac uses a mirror version of the same fob. We have a Buick Envision, which remains the only Buick model using it. We'll need a new CR2450 battery, and we'll use the mechanical key and the tip of a very small screwdriver as tools. We'll need first to remove the mechanical key hiding in the fob. Push the release button on the side of the fob as shown, and pull the key ring, and we have the key. Insert the tip of the key into the slot shown and pry upward. This will start to separate the back of the fob from the rest of the device, and it can be pulled away pretty easily. And there is the CR2450 battery with its markings up. We'll need the tip of the small screwdriver to get beneath it at the spot shown. Slip the new one in, starting at the opposite end where we used the screwdriver to get beneath it. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, use the cloth to wipe it down. Be sure the markings are up. Snap the back of the fob back on, starting at the end opposite the mechanical key. And then replace the key. Now test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.